Yo guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can get a Fortnite dev account. This video is insane, and honestly, when I first got a Fortnite dev account, I literally freaked out, and I want that same reaction of you guys by the end of this video. So make sure to watch the full entire tutorial, and yeah, I basically unlocked every cosmetic for completely free, as you guys can see, including the Renegade Raider. As you guys see, I'm already wearing it, but I'm gonna show you my login just so you guys don't think it's fake. And then we also do the OG styles for Gold Trooper, the pink gold trooper, skull trooper, etc. And we have the what's it called, aerial saw trooper. And we do have all the exclusives. This is insane. Honestly, when I first logged into this, I was like so surprised that it actually worked. And I just want to give that same reaction to you guys. And also, you guys can join your friends. I don't have anybody added. And yeah. So without further ado, let's get on to the tutorial. I don't want to keep you guys waiting any longer. So yeah, let's get on to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing that you guys want to do is open up the link of the description, which is going to be a bit.ly link. It's going to take you to my recognized link, which is right here. And then from here, guys, you guys want to go onto the subscribe on YouTube. Do keep a note, if you do unsubscribe, this will not work and you won't be able to proceed with the steps. Just read this and then subscribe to my friend X Shadow. So subscribe to both of us, and also we do both post Fortnite dev videos, so if you guys are interested in more videos like this, because these do update very often, and sometimes they do get patched, and we have to make videos on how to update them, so turn on notifications when you are at this step, and then just make sure you subscribe, and then it's going to unlock the link for you guys. And then you guys want to press I'm not a robot, and then from here, guys, you guys want to go onto the free access, and then you guys want to download it. If you do come through some steps, just do those steps. They're pretty simple, to be honest, and they don't take long. So yeah, double click to download, and then you guys want to run it as administrator, press yes, and then you guys want to press next, skip all, and then press open. It's going to take you to my Beacon's AI link, and then you guys want to go on to the Rex FN. There's a ton of links here, so you guys just want to find Rex FN dev. So click that, and you guys want to press I'm not a robot, and then from here, you guys want to go on to the free access with ads, discover interesting articles, we're on 5 to 10 seconds, and close this out. And then you guys want to go on to continue to Rex FN Fortnite dev, and then you guys want to download it, and then press save, and then you guys want to double click on it, and then you guys want to press yes, and then from here you guys want to go next, skip all, and then press open. Now this is where it gets very confusing, so make sure to watch very closely. It's going to launch the Discord for you guys right here, and then you guys want to go on hybrid and go in the download section. It's going to be very confusing, so make sure to watch closely. You guys want to press the Google Drive link, and this might be down, so you guys want to press download. Yep, as you guys can see, it's not working currently. So the next process you guys want to do is go onto the custom installer, and then press continue to download. It's going to download automatically for you guys, and then you guys want to double click on the download. When it downloads, you guys want to press more info and run anyway, and then you guys want to press the 0. So where it says please enter number 0 to continue, so press 0. And then please enter a location path you want to install. So you guys want to go onto your desktop and then right click and then press new and then press folder. I'm going to name this Rex FN video tutorial please sub, and then press enter. Double click on the file, and then where you guys see where my mouse is, you guys want to go onto this white space, empty white space, and click on it. It's going to open up the URL for the path file link, and you guys want to press Control-C, and then go back on here, and then paste the link, and then you guys want to download it. It's going to give you an ETA, so for me, it's saying an hour. Now, this could take minutes, hours, so yeah, it definitely depends on your PC. I have a high-end PC, so usually it only takes about 8 minutes to 10 minutes. So yeah, you guys want to download that. I already have that installed, so I'm not going to go through those 8 minutes. But once you have it installed, it's going to install all these files into that original path file that you created. And then once you have that, you guys want to go onto the launcher download. So go on the launcher download, and then it's going to go through another link vertise process. I know there's a ton of link vertise process that you guys have to go through. But in the end, it's going to be worth it. Just trust me on this one. It's going to be worth it. You guys don't want to miss out on this. And then you guys want to exit out, wait 5 to 10 seconds, and then exit this out. And then you guys want to go continue the website, and then you guys want to go onto the download website. So once you guys have done that, download the website, and then double click the download more info, and then press run anyway. And then you're going to have to go through another link vertise because you do need an authorization code. So you guys have to go through another link vertise to get that authorization code. So just go through this. I know you've already been through like 4 of these link vertise things, but It does help us out directly. So yeah, these aren't actually mine, but just continue to download. And then this is the last link for ties you are gonna have to go through. So don't worry about that. And then you guys want to go on to the next, skip all, and then press open. And then finally, you guys have the authorization code. So you guys want to double click on it and then copy it. And then you guys want to go back onto the authorization code and then right click it and then press login. Now you guys want to go onto the three dots where it says your Fortnite 20.40 path. Click the three dots and then you guys want to go on desktop and then go onto the file folder where you installed all the files onto. For example, for me, that is the Rex FN. So you guys want to click that folder and then press log in. And you guys want to log into your Epic Games account, which you want to install this Fortnite dev on. And then you guys want to press confirm. I do want to make sure that this does not modify your Fortnite account in any way. And you guys cannot get banned using this method. It doesn't actually add the cosmetics onto your game. This is a private server, so it's completely private to your actual Fortnite account. So we're going to try this again because it didn't work on the first try. Usually it does work on the second try though, so we're going to try this one more time. It does work on the second or third try, so we're going to try again and then press login, and then you guys want to do the same thing, confirm, and then press launch, and it doesn't work. Okay, there we go. Second try. So yeah. Also guys, comment W if you guys are still watching, and I'll heart your comment, and I may even subscribe to some of you guys. So yeah, if you guys want me to subscribe to you, comment W. And there you guys go. Obviously, I didn't have a crazy reaction because I already knew about this, but you guys should have a pretty cool reaction. So yeah, I really hope this video actually worked for you. And if you guys want more videos like this, please make sure to like and subscribe. If you haven't done so already, and turn on notifications. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. It's gonna be the end of today's videos, like I said. Have a good rest of your day. It's been your boy Radius. Peace out, guys.